So I found an AI tool that can literally automate any task you do on your computer, from product research to finding a job to customer support. And the best part about this is it's so easy to set up that really anyone can do it, even if you've never used AI before. So to accomplish this, we're going to use something called an AI workflow. Think of it like hiring a digital assistant that never sleeps. For instance, let's say you're looking for a job. Well, instead of you manually checking job boards every morning or responding to emails from prospective employees every day, you can create a workflow that does all of that for you automatically. You basically tell the AI what you want done using plain English, and it builds the entire automation for you. It can read emails, search websites, create spreadsheets, and so much more. Essentially connecting different tasks together so they all happen for you without you lifting a finger. So this is a tool that I use to set up my workflows. It's called DeepAgent, and they're also the sponsor of this video, so I do want to give them a shout out and let you know that if you want to follow along with me as I set up a workflow in this video, make sure to go to this link, or you can click the link in the description of this video to sign up and use them. Once you do sign up, you'll land on a page that looks like this. Now, I know there's a lot here, so don't feel overwhelmed. I'm going to show you the most important stuff. So for instance, if you click up here where it says Chat LLM, this will open up a regular AI chatbot. This is very similar to ChatGPT. You can ask it any questions that you want, but what makes this different is you don't just have access to ChatGPT, you have access to all the major models. So we have Claude in here, Gemini, we have DeepSeek, as well as several others. But today we're going to focus on DeepAgent. So let's click down here on the bottom left where it says DeepAgent. Let's start by setting up an AI workflow that will find job opportunities every single day and email them to me. So I'm just going to type in here, create an AI workflow. Then it asks me exactly what I want the workflow to do. So I'm going to paste in here what I'm looking for, which is an AI agent that's going to scrape Google search looking for product manager jobs in the United States. And I give the exact location, exactly what I'm looking for, and what I want the output to be as well. And you see now DeepAgent is building out this entire workflow. We have all the coding happening here on the right. On the left, it's telling us what it's doing in pretty plain English. So the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to be a coder yourself. The AI agent is doing it for you. All you have to do is put in here in plain English exactly what you're looking for, and it's able to do all the hard work for you. And once it's done, you'll get a message telling you that it was successful. It says the system is now active and it'll start delivering your job reports every single morning. And to test this out yourself to make sure it's working the way that you want, you can click up here where it says test task. And here we can see it scraped the web for new job postings, went through different sites like startup.jobs or ziprecruiter.com, found a bunch of them for us, and then at the end produced a nice document that shows us all of the jobs that fit our criteria. It found 30 in total, and it outlined all of them with exactly what the job is and how much they pay and how I could apply for them. And here you can see the same results that were actually emailed to me directly into my Gmail. And down here it says that when the report was generated and when it's scheduled to run again, so I don't need to check this manually every day. And of course, not everyone is going to be out there looking for a job, but you can see how this can be adapted for anything that you might do every single day. So for instance, I check about a dozen different websites every morning for the latest update and news on different industries that I'm involved in, like AI and drop shipping. So now I've set up an agent to actually do this for me as a workflow, so I don't have to manually check those sites myself. So whatever your needs are, whatever it is that you routinely do or check every day, you can set up a workflow just like I did to actually do that work for you and just send you a digest daily. Now, before we try another one, if you're enjoying learning about this and want to see more videos about AI tools that can help automate your work, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's try another one. Let's look at how we can set up an AI workflow that can do automated customer support for you. For this example, you can create a workflow that monitors your Gmail inbox, identifies support questions, and then automatically responds to those questions using information from your knowledge base. Again, watch how DeepAgent builds this entire system out for you. It's connecting to Gmail, setting up the knowledge base integration, creating the tone checking system, and establishing the human review process inside of it. The brilliant part about this workflow is that it includes this safety check. The AI doesn't just start sending out emails on your behalf without really approval. It provides a quick spreadsheet, and then you can just copy and paste from it, but you'll have the chance to review every email before it goes out to make sure it is saying exactly what you want it to say and the AI didn't make a mistake. Here's another really cool example. You can use AI workflows for lead generation for your business. So let's say, for example, that you're looking for businesses in your area that might need help with things like website design, branding, or SEO, and you're going to reach out to these companies and have them pay you to do that for them. Well, you can set up a workflow that automatically looks for businesses like that every single day for you. It will then not only present you with the qualified leads, but it will tell you why they need your help. So for example, here, it found a restaurant that has a website, but the website isn't optimized for mobile. So that is something that you can reach out to them and then offer that as a service to the restaurant and tell them that they're potentially losing sales because their website isn't optimized for mobile devices. So surprisingly, DeepAgent starts at just $10 per month for the basic tier, which not only gives you access to DeepAgent and all of the AI workflows that I was just showing you in this video, but also to the chatbot I was showing you earlier. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is go to this link or click the first link in the description down below, and then you'll start to be able to build out these AI workflows to automate your life. If you do sign up and use it, I would love to hear what you end up automating. So please leave a comment and let me know how you're using it, because I have found the only limit to this tool is really your own imagination. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.